Hi friends, today on the Red and Ed Show, we're going to be showing you everything that you need to know to order a replacement tarp. I'm Red.
And I'm Ed.
And we will get started.
We're here in the outlet store. One of the first things you need to do is let us know your make of trailer, the length of the trailer, and the width of the trailer. And then you actually have to measure the existing tarp that's on there. A lot of the tarps seem to be a little short. What Shur-Co recommends is anywhere from 1.5 inches to 2 inches of the aluminum cap showing on each end. The reason we need to know, and that will ensure that you have at least 6 inches of tarp resting on your end cap, so it don't fall inside the trailer. So it's just a simple matter of measuring your old tarp. If you don't want to crawl up on the trailer, you can usually sight down along the set of the rivets on the side of the trailer to get the length of it and do it that way. The reason we need to know the length of the trailer is it's kind of a double check. If you say you have a 42-foot trailer and the tarp measures like 4210 or something like that, we know there's a problem somewhere, either the trailer or you measured the tarp wrong. So it's just a double check. And that's pretty much it. We need accurate measurements to ensure the tarp fits right. We don't know, like if you have a 42-foot trailer, we don't know what size tarp goes on there because of different sidewall heights and stuff like that on the trailers. So that's why we have to have you actually measure the tarp itself.
Every trailer is different, which means every tarp that we make is different. So it's really important that you measure correctly. And if you have any additional questions, you can feel free to call our customer service department and they'll be happy to walk you through it as well.
So that's about it.
Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm Red.
And I'm Ed. And please share this with everybody that has a truck or trailer or they could use one of our products. Would you please? Thank you.